Hi viewers, in this video we'll see some important commands for regular drawing. Let's see. Okay, now I tell you about stretch command. You even know the stretch. If you want to enlarge something or reduce some area, will use stretch. Okay, now I'll check units. See, I'll make 10 by 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, this is 10 and this is 10. I have to enlarge this to 15. Okay, use stretch command yes and select the area. Which area if you want to enlarge, select this like this. We have to enlarge this area. That's why we select like this. Click and space, just click, and where if you want to have like this, just click here, line this big how. If you want to use measurement, stretch, same is select, click, don't click like this. We want to use measurement like 10 feet. See, it will reduce up to 10 feet. Like this is 10 feet. If you want to enlarge 15 feet, stretch, select, and 5 feet. This is stretch tool. Okay. And the same way, if you want to use two more object, stretch, like click, 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 just click. See, whatever you select, everything, all object will like stretch. Same way. The same thing where stretch, like multi stretch. Two commands are same thing, like this. See, same thing you'll use this on stretch, normal stretch command also. See, aim stretch and stretch are same thing, not much of different. Okay, okay. In this row, this is 5 feet 6 inches. If you want to increase 1 feet, fill your stretch command. Yes, stretch. I'll stretch this wall 1 feet. See, now this is 6.6 and move the door here. Same way, if you want to reduce this 10 feet to 8 feet, stretch, select which area if you want to reduce this. If you want to track line, this is the stretchable area. Okay, this is the stretchable area. Where if you want to stretch, make more like this, selecting type. Just click and space. Just click and stretch. 2 feet. Okay, this is stretch command. I'll make one text. Yeah, I'll make one text. If you want to make circle around text or square like this, we have a command. Let's see how to make this. This is the text. I'll reduce this three sizes of text. Let's see. I'll make text circle. Okay, select the object and offset from this. We have how much offset? I'll make 0.5. Okay. Now if you want circle or slot or rectangle, I'll make circle. Then area. See, same thing. You want select 0.5 circle. It's different like this. Okay. T circle. Select object. 0.5 circle. I'll make constant before you use variable. I'll use constant. This same thing. Okay, not much of difference. Like this is okay. It's what you have observed from text. It will very differ. Okay, let's see something and make select 0.5. Now I'll use slot both. See, and same thing if you have a rectangle. Okay. This is sometimes we will use for this stress community. We will use for all drawings. Okay.